Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of traffic signal. Question is given as the lost time due to starting delay on a traffic signal is noted to be 3 seconds. The actual green time is 25 seconds and yellow time is 3 seconds. How much is the effective green time? Now in the question it is given that the total startup lost time is 3 seconds as well as the clearance loss time is also 3 seconds. Now we have the green time equals to 25 seconds which is given in the question, and amber time, that is yellow time, is given as 3 seconds. Now we want to determine the value of effective green time. So effective green time will be equals to green time plus amber time minus total loss time, that is TSL, startup loss time, plus clearance loss time. On putting the value of G as 25, A as 3 minus total startup loss time will be equals to 3 seconds and clearance loss time will be equals to 3 seconds. On solving this, we will get the effective green time equals to 22 seconds. That is the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.